Now and then look to your right, look to your left. If your friends are struggling, help them. Okay. Now step 2. Make one triangle. It's a basic plane, but using this plane you are going to learn something related to aircraft. And the same concept used in rocket satellites as well. No. Now, take your 2 fingers, place it below this line.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. You should not call me sir. Jagu Manti you should call. Next up, leave 2 centimeter space. This much space.